Today I received this 22-piece bathroom accessory set. Now I did get this in an exchange for this review. This is the box it came in. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it all comes with. So here are the items out of the box. You have 2 rugs here, wastebasket, toilet bowl cleaner, toothbrush holder, just a tumbler, soap dispenser, shower curtain rings, soap holder, and then 2 either cotton swab or Q-tip holders. And then just a little note saying thank you for your purchase. Now you do want to make sure that everything was in the box. That way you can contact them immediately if something's missing. We're going to open these rugs up. We're going to lay these in the bathroom, put them up, and see how they look. So I put this set in our tiny home. The bathroom's very small. The rugs fit perfectly. There's the toilet bowl cleaner and the trash can. And if you notice, they have lids. Went ahead and put up the shower curtain. And it did come with those 12 shower hooks on top. And then I put the other pieces right here on the counter. So everything came in this kit that I needed for this restroom. And there's not anything I need to buy. It is complete. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.